Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Channel. I'm Michelle, and I'm really happy to have you here with us today.
Hi, Michelle, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Mark, and today's episode is going to be a very special one.
Now, listen carefully. If you've been learning English for a long time, you can understand movies, podcasts, even news. But when you speak, your pronunciation feels strange, your speech sounds slow, and your confidence suddenly drops. Stay with us.
Because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn one technique that can completely change the way you speak English.
Really? That already sounds promising.
Before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you're serious about improving your English speaking skills, don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Channel and like this video. Your support helps us reach more learners around the world. All right, let's begin. What is shadowing?
So, Michelle, what's today's powerful technique?
It's called shadowing. Shadowing? That sounds interesting already. What does it mean?
Shadowing is when you listen to English audio and repeat it out loud at the same time as the speaker. Same speed, same rhythm, same intonation. Think of your voice as a shadow, following the original voice very closely.
Ah, I get it now. So we don't pause or translate in our heads.
Exactly. No stopping, no overthinking, just listening and speaking at the same time. It feels strange at first, but that's where the magic happens.
So why does shadowing work so well for English learners?
Because it trains your brain on several levels at once. First, pronunciation. English spelling can be tricky, but shadowing forces you to focus on real sounds, not written words.
That's true. English doesn't always sound the way it looks.
Second, listening skills. To shadow successfully, you must listen very carefully, so your ears and your mouth are working together.
Like a full workout.
Exactly. Third, rhythm and intonation. English is not flat. Native speakers stress words, change pitch, and use pauses to express emotion and meaning. Shadowing helps you feel this naturally.
That's something many learners struggle with.
And finally, fluency. When you shadow regularly, your mouth becomes more comfortable speaking English. You speak more smoothly and confidently. Wow, that's a big change.
So how can our listeners start practicing shadowing?
Let's go step by step. Step 1, choose the right audio. Start with material at your level or just slightly above. If it's too difficult, you'll feel frustrated.
What kind of audio do you recommend?
Podcasts for English learners are perfect. Short clips from movies, TV shows, or audiobooks also work well, especially with clear pronunciation. Step 2, listen first. Just listen, don't shadow yet. Understand the general meaning.
So we warm up first.
Exactly. Step 3, start shadowing. Play a short sentence and repeat it at the same time as the speaker. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on sound and rhythm.
Like following closely behind.
Yes. Step 4, repeat again and again. Each time you'll notice something new. Step 5, increase the length. Move from short sentences to longer phrases, then full paragraphs. Step 6, record yourself. It feels uncomfortable, but it's incredibly helpful. Compare your voice to the original.
And it's just for yourself.
Exactly. Step 7, be patient and consistent. You won't sound native overnight, but with regular practice, improvement is guaranteed.
What mistakes should learners avoid?
First, choosing audio that's too hard. Start easy and build confidence. Second, focusing only on words, not flow. English has melody. Third, being passive. Shadowing requires focus and energy. And finally, giving up too soon. Progress takes time. Celebrate small wins.
Can me show a quick example?
Of course. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
That was great. Not perfect, but active and engaged.
So, Michelle, what's the key takeaway?
Shadowing is one of the most effective ways to improve pronunciation, listening, and fluency at the same time. It requires patience, but the results are real.
That brings us to the end of today's episode on Everyday English Channel.
If you think this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English.
Leave a comment below. Have you tried shadowing before?
Keep practicing and stay consistent. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video, and happy shadowing.